mountains.
So the mountains, here's a live look for you near Winter Park. It's snowing, spots like Loveland Ski Area, so fresh powder for a lot of our ski resorts, but you will still find some snow-covered icy roadways. CDOT, of course, doing a great job clearing I-70 when they can, but just be prepared for winter driving conditions again through the day in the high country. Here for the metro area, we've issued this weather action day for the strong, gusty winds. You can see the winds just whipping around the tree there on top of Lookout Mountain, sustained right now from the northwest at 23 miles per hour. Temperatures pretty mild out there in the upper 40s right now, but they'll fall through the afternoon and evening, and some colder air is set to arrive. With the low relative humidity, dry conditions, and strong winds, fire danger elevated for this Monday. Gusts could reach up to 60 miles per hour at times over the I-25 corridor and eastern plains, and then we will be seeing some colder air settle in tonight through tomorrow, but the winds will calm by this time on Tuesday. Last recorded wind gusts near Greeley and Boulder and Aurora around 40 miles per hour. Some areas blowing dust as well, possible over the eastern plains. So howling winds across eastern Colorado and over the I-25 corridor west into the foothills. This warning in effect until 2 o'clock. Also, a winter weather advisory continues for a big portion of our northern and central mountains, with additional snowfall of around 4 to even 6 inches over those higher mountain peaks as we get through tonight, and then things will gradually clear out. So radar and satellite showing those scattered snow showers right now off to our west. Sunny here in Denver and the eastern plains, with those temperatures currently sitting in the upper 40s. Still quite cold in the mountains. Leadville only at 22 degrees with high 20s over much of our central mountain towns, and do expect the winds to continue to be strong over a big portion of the state. Here's a look ahead at our Denver metro area. Planners, skies will stay clear. Temperatures topping out today in the 40s. Castle Rock at 43, only at 14 degrees though out west in Copper Mountain. In spots like Leadville, you see those temperatures dropping after noon, getting down to the upper teens, with snow showers continuing to fall until around 5 o'clock. So keep that in mind if you do have any travel planned for today. Highs this afternoon statewide, 50s returning to the southeastern plains, which will stay dry. More mountain snow for our central and southern mountains, and then gradual clearing later on tonight. So early tomorrow morning for our New Year's Eve day, it is going to be a bitter cold start to the morning, but a lot of sunshine out there. Temperatures through the afternoon in the upper 30s here in town, mainly 20s in the high country. And New Year's Eve into New Year's Day, it is going to be a whole lot colder here across the state. More mountain snow arrives early Thursday morning, and it'll drop our temperature slightly in Denver, but most of the moisture will be confined out west to the mountains. So if you're planning ahead for New Year's Eve tomorrow, do be bundled up. As the clock strikes midnight, temperatures will be in the low 20s here in town. Partly cloudy skies with rebounding highs back to the low 40s for Wednesday afternoon. Here's a look ahead at our Super 7-day forecast. A bit of a roller coaster ride. Tomorrow not as windy, chilly, cool on Wednesday, 40 degrees, a little bit milder to wrap up the week, and then slightly chillier for the weekend, Amy.